going alongside Iran's continual blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. President Trump growing increasingly visually frustrated with the reluctance of American allies to participate in any effort to try to unblock the Strait of Hormuz. Withdrawing from NATO entirely. Now, these negotiations were continuing. The United States saying that they are running negotiations with Iran. The Iranians continuing to say that there are nothing resembling the negotiations that the U.S. have been describing. Well, tonight, probably within the next couple of hours, we should be getting a clearer picture of just all of this is going. Matt Bradley, NBC News, Tel Aviv.
President Trump is addressed tonight on the war with Iran. KCRA begin at 6 o'clock, and you can watch it right here on KCRA 3. Right now, AAA says the national gas price average has gone up again just since yesterday, sitting at $4.06, but California's averages haven't changed. We're still at $5.89 a gallon. Sacramento and Yolo County averages went up by a penny. Most counties remain the same, but still relatively high. Meantime, the price of diesel in California continues to climb to new heights. It set another record this morning, reaching $7.52 a gallon for diesel. Let's see how investors are reacting to that and everything going on today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 280. It's back above. Sales climbed across nearly every. The increased the most at department stores, personal care. Economists are watching spending data closely because Americans' purchases make up about 2/3 of the U.S. economy. President Trump signed an executive order cracking down on mail-in voting. California vowed to sue within minutes of that order. It directs Homeland Security and the Social Security Administration to make a list of voters in each state. The U.S. Postal Service will then be barred from sending ballots to anyone who is not on the state's list. The order also requires each ballot to have envelopes with unique barcodes for tracking. This map by our Get the order could country. California is one of 8 states and Washington, D.C. that automatically mail in ballots to that automatically mails ballots to all eligible voters. It just happens automatically. In 28 other states, voters can request a vote by mail ballot without needing a reason, and the states shown in dark green here require a reason for receiving a mail-in ballot. President Donald Trump has repeatedly voting, even though he cast a mail-in ballot just this month in a special election in Florida.
I don't see how anybody can challenge it. I don't see how they can challenge it. And remember, it's about voter integrity. We want to have honest voting in our country, because if you don't have honest voting, you can't have really a nation.
Attorney General Rob Bonta responded to the order in the statement saying, quote, President Trump's executive order marks a dangerous and unprecedented escalation in his ongoing attacks on our elections. The power to regulate elections belongs to the state and to Congress. He has no role to play. Governor Newsom's office responded saying the president wants to limit which Americans can participate in our democracy. California will see him in court. A San Joaquin County judge has convicted a man accused of luring vulnerable children into human trafficking. David Hall was found guilty of the sex trafficking and abuse of 3 children ages 12